I'm Steph, this is Arnie and Sölvi, and we are the founders of Avo. Avo prevents human error when implementing analytics. Humans suck at implementing analytics. They create bugs in their code, in their data, all the time, just like in their code. Except while bugs in your code can be fixed, your data is permanent. Data bugs are irreparable damage. We are a team of engineers and data scientists who've worked together for 6 years. We know this problem because at QuizUp, a game with 100 million users backed by Sequoia Capital, we learned firsthand that it's nearly impossible to ship code without breaking your analytics. And we solved it with something very similar to Avo. And now we've launched Avo to the rest of the world, to companies like Full Story, Skip Scooters, Wow Air, and Sotheby's. And just this morning, a TripAdvisor company closed on us. Here's how Avo works. Product managers update their analytics specs within the Avo web app for every product release. Developers pull generated code from Avo. Their analytics is now type-checked and monitored through every code change so it never breaks again. Every company will use analytics. And there are 5 million product managers and developers and data scientists in the US alone. At our current average price of $60 per user per month, we're addressing a $3.6 billion market. So I'll leave you with this. Avo prevents human error when implementing analytics. The team has already solved this at scale for QuizUp with 100 million users. We recently launched, and we already have customers like Full Story and Skip Scooters. And we're addressing a $3.6 billion market. Come find us in the avocado t-shirts. Thanks.